Smepnover 67. So did the oil service and did the Lucas treatment with the 10W30 Rotella. Worked out really well. It's just an oil change, nothing too crazy about it. My oil was awful. It was black, like tar. Totally spent. Have no idea when the thing was serviced. The oil filter itself was rusty, really rusty. It looked like it's been there for like a decade. But it came off easy, no issues whatsoever. After doing the service, keyed up the truck. I didn't really see much of a difference on the actual gauge, but I'm not too comfortable with reading what this factory gauge says because it's an old vehicle and it's actually not running by actual oil pressure. It's going through a diaphragm, which is then pushing on a resistor, and it's giving you information through a very old, probably broken somewhere wire. That's honestly not the most accurate thing whatsoever in a vehicle that was built in the 70s. So I went forward and I just purchased a handful of gauges, and the one currently on the truck just says it's always good. It's in the middle of the gauge all the time, instead of letting me know where it is on the charging circuit, if it's actually using voltage or not. So even when I unplug the damn thing, it still says it's still good to go. So, and my oil pressure, I want to see a numerical reading so I can see, or so I can further diagnose any issues going along in the future. Along with my coolant temp. My coolant temp has not worked. Originally I thought it was because I haven't let the vehicle run long enough, because it was still going through the whole diagnostic phase. I didn't want to overheat the engine or anything like that, but yeah, the gauge is pegged all the way at cold all the time after the vehicle was running for about a half hour yesterday. All those gauges installed, hopefully today. We'll see. Thanks. Chappies looking like on a cold start. Currently running 50 pounds of pressure, which is exceptional for a vehicle at this age. That's awesome. At an idle right now. Excuse the fastening right there. This is just temporary installation. Those other gauges. Gotta get